Let's take a look at example C. So we're taking the integral of x squared times the natural log of x dx. So we have two functions of x. We got x squared and we got natural log of x. So we need to use integration by parts. So we'll say u equals the natural log of x and dv then equals x squared. So the derivative of natural log of x, if you recall, is 1 over x dx. And now we take the integral of x squared to get v, to get 1/3 x cubed. So let's see, we got the integral of x squared times the natural log of x dx equals u times v. So we get natural log of x, throw that in parentheses, times 1/3 x cubed minus the integral of v, which is 1/3 x cubed, times du, which is 1 over x dx. Now let's simplify. I'm going to throw that 1/3 x cubed in front of the natural log of x, just for the sake of not having to write parentheses. 1/3 x cubed times the natural log of x minus, I'll simplify this first. This is the integral of 1/3 x cubed times 1 over x. This is going to end up being 1/3 x squared dx. And remember that we can just pull this 1/3 right out of that integral. So this ends up being 1/3 x cubed times the natural log of x minus 1/3 times the integral of x squared, which is 1/3 x cubed. Remember, we did that up here. Funny how that worked out. Plus c. And now it's just a game of simplifying. Let's see. So I guess I'll write 1/3 x cubed natural log of x minus 1/9 x cubed plus c. And you could simplify this further by factoring out a 1/9 and an x cubed, but this will be good for now. So that's our answer for part C. Now we'll take a look at part D. So we have the natural log of x, the integral of the natural log of x. You might say, wait a sec, where are two functions? Do we have two functions? So yeah, remember how ones are invisible? That's what we're going to do here. So we're going to say this is the integral of 1 times the natural log of x dx. Alright, so u equals the natural log of x, and dv is going to be 1 dx. Let's find du. That's the derivative of natural log of x, which is 1 over x dx. And then v is the integral of 1, which is just x. Now we're looking for natural log of x equals integration by parts, u times v. So that's natural log of x times x. I'm just going to write this x out front. So x times the natural log of x, u times v, minus the integral of v du. So that's x times 1 over x dx. So this equals x times the natural log of x minus x times 1 over x is just x over x, which is 1. This is minus the integral of 1 dx. Simplifying further, x natural log of x minus the integral of 1 dx is x plus c. And then you can simplify this by factoring out an x. So we get x times natural log of x minus 1 plus c. So now you know the derivative of natural log of x and the integral of natural log of x, which is pretty handy. And that's it for integration by parts. So email me if you have any questions at all. And I hope you all have a good week.